My name is GDCHA60. Today you are going to see, or I will show you how to protect your folders or files from your computer by some technique or security level. Let's see here. To my screen here, I have a new folder. This is my folder, and then inside I have a text file, type of file. Can be whatever, but it shows I have something. Let me show this. I have something here. So we are going to protect this from being opened and being deleted. For now, I can open this and I can delete this. Okay, I can delete this. Okay, let me turn back it and going to recording, then I will restore it. So now watch for these steps to protect your files from being deleted and from being opened. First of all, you must select it and right click. When you right click, go to properties. After going to properties, it will pop up the window like this in new folder properties. So in the properties here, we have general, sharing, security, previous visions, and customize. So we are going to see in the security, and in the security here you see we have group or usernames. Here group or username is authorities. All authorities are given to the user, and you are the user. So we want to protect this file by migrating the authority to the to none, not to the user, not to the administrator and others. So let's do this. So after clicking here, we are going to edit, change permission, click it, edit. So we are changing the permission to this folder. So after clicking here, we got another permission for new folder. So we are here is the group or the authorities are preferred to be given to the user. So we are going to close out the controls here, to then out the control, full control, modify, and others. So we are click full control. We then the full control of this app. So a permission will be removed, and then after that we can press apply. We pop the window securities. You are setting a dynamic permission entry. Then entries takes precedence over allow entries. So we are click OK. Yes. Then we click OK. Then here we click OK. Then let me refresh this file. I have refreshed it. So when I try to open it, it will show like this. You don't have current permission to access this folder. When you click continue, also you have been denied permission to this access folder. Okay, how can you return the permission to you? So the process is that one. So you can reverse the permission from where we have done. So right click, then go to properties. After going to properties, go to add security and go to the advanced security. When you're going to where you click the edit permission here, you will find this one and remove this control. The short way you can do this, or you can select some of the properties here or permission here. For example, I can permit somebody to open, not to modify. Okay, to open, read and execute. Modify, not. Okay. Write and read. Okay. Then you click OK. Click continue. Oh, somewhere is here. Oh no, somewhere is here. Okay, so to remove the permission, you can click here, but if it deny to remove, you see, I click OK and here OK. So I refresh this file, then when I open, it has been opened. Okay, it has been opened. So that's the process where you can prohibit your file folder and the files to be opened or deleted. You can choose the permission. Okay, so in another video we will show how to choose to protect your file by advanced level here. Okay, we will see here how to change the owner of the file. Okay, we have these owners and the principals for and the access inheritance forms, so we will be doing this. Thank you. You're welcome. Subscribe for newcomers and for the return subscriber. Thank you for your support.